Hello everyone, Mr. O here. I'm going to show you today the Masyu puzzle. So it's a pretty cool new puzzle. I've been working on it for a little bit and I want to show you the rules and how to do a few of these. And so let's begin. I'm going to take you to this website and the URL puzzle-masyu.com, masyu.com. Alright, let's see if we can do a couple of these. Let me start with a new puzzle. This is the simplest one, so we'll just get the rules going here. I'll give you a couple of tips and tricks that I've learned after looking at these for the last few minutes. So the basic rules: the white, if you have a white circle, the line it's going to be a continuous loop, and the line has to go straight through a white circle and has a bend through the black circle. So very similar to the last puzzle we did. Little bit different is that on the black, if you go and you bend through the black, then for one more box you have to go straight. So you can't do a bend and a bend on the black. So you got to go straight for at least one more. So for example, this one here, this is going to have to be here and here because it has to bend. But also because they're white and because this is a black circle, they have to go at least one more straight throughout that. Right? Let me give you an example. This is obviously on the corner, so it's going to be this and this. But because this is black, it cannot bend right away. Once again, it has to go at least one more. Okay, so this is my straight for one square, straight for one square on that black. And then it's also, for the white, it has to go straight through. Now, for the white, it has to bend at least one side or the other. All right, so this white, since this was a straight line through and then it bent, this one could go longer, more straight. But one side or the other has to bend immediately after the white. So that's the rules. It has to be a continuous loop. So let's see if I can find some different strategy I can share with you guys. First of all, we know this one because this was in the corner and it had to be this. This one has to bend, so it has to go up. Now it cannot bend right away because this was a black one. It has to go at least one more. So it has to go straight for through one whole box. Obviously, this cannot be a straight line this way, so it's going to have to go this and this. And here's our bend, and we can even use X's to show that this cannot connect. All right, so we go up here. It's going to go like so. We know that for the black dot, this is one of your tips and tricks. For the black dot, it cannot come, if it's one away from the side, then it can't go that way because it needs to go straight through one whole box. So anytime you get a black that's only one away, you know that has to be an X. And this would have to be true for this one as well. So this, because the line can't come from here because it just bent. And because of that bend, it can't go immediately into a black. It's got to be straight for two. All right, so this one could have bent here. No, certainly couldn't. Think about this. It would go up one, but it's not going to be able to connect there because it would create a branch. It would create a T. So what I do is I say that can't go there, and now we know this and this, and it has to go through one full box straight. All right, what else do we know? Well, this one, since you can't connect here, would have to go straight, and it can't connect here, so it has to go straight. So again, this white circle was right next to a bend, which is appropriate. It could be and or. I don't know if you can see that at home, and your computer's at home. But the rule says and or, both sides, could be both or it could be just one, has to bend immediately for the white. Now obviously this can't go this way, can't go there, it's going to have to connect here. All right, what else do we have? Well, if this were to go, let's see. Now it has to be one continuous loop. So if I were to go, here, it has to keep going straight. So could it go here, knowing that it has to go straight? Absolutely not, because this would eventually have to either connect here or have nowhere to connect. So I know that this does not connect there. And if I know one side of the white, then I know that it's got to go straight through this way. So boom, boom, that's straight through. And I know this can't go up, and we can't go this way either, because again, I have to go straight through one full box, and that would run off the board. So that's this. You might be thinking, what the heck, how's this going to work? Well, it can't connect there, so it goes down. This one, if I keep going, I'm going to run out of, I'm just going to be nowhere to go, right? Can't go anywhere, any of those spaces. So this is going to have to go up. This connects here. Let's test out and see how we did. Pew, pew, pew. We did it. All right, let's try one more. Let's try one that's 8 by 8. And if you're getting the hang of it, you obviously don't have to watch the rest of the tutorial. But let me just show you one more in case you're interested. It's 8 by 8 easy. So again, I see some of these black dots in the corners. Those are pretty straightforward. This one has to be this and this. It has to be this and this. This one, this one, this one, this one. This one would have to turn up because it's black. So we turn up and it has to go at least one more. Now, because this is white again, it has to go another one. Now this white circle is not next to a bend. So it has to bend this way. So we cannot go straight again. So it's going to either go left or right. We'll have to decide that in a moment. Now, obviously, these can't connect right here. So this is going to be like so. And so this could keep going straight because it had the bend here for this white. And this one could keep going straight as well. Now, we know that the black, because it's next to one from the edge of the board, this cannot connect here for two reasons. One is it has to, if this were to go here and turn or turn up like this, it didn't have enough time to be straight beforehand. So that's no good. So anytime a black is only one away from the edge, we can put an X there for sure. Also, a white on the edge, you cannot come in straight like this. So it's going to have to be like so. And this is my bend for that one, and this is my bend for that one. And these have to go straight, and immediately would have to bend because this white would need to have a bend on one side or the other. So here we are. What else do we have? Just can't go here, can't go here. I like to mark X's where things can't go. All right. Obviously, if you can't go here and you can't go here, then you can't also go here. Because if I put a line down in here, I have nowhere to go. So this could potentially go left, and then up, or straight up, and then turn. We'll have to see about that. Now, we see this X on this white circle. So we know that it's not going this way. So we got to put this. Now, one of these sides will have to bend, either up or down. We're not sure which one yet. All right, let's see if I can find some other fancy moves. All right, if I went up here and this kept going up, then what the heck will we do with this one here? So that's not going to work. So that's definitely not there. So which means that's disconnecting here. That helps us with this one for sure, because this one's going to be like so. This one's going to be like this, and I'm going to have to turn to the right because left would take me right off the board. So it looks like all is lost here, but it just turns up. These cannot connect. You can't have an inner loop, so that's not going to work. So we just got to make sure that doesn't connect. Probably connect here. Maybe not. We'll have to think. If I don't connect it, if I do go up here, this would have to go up. We'll have to see about that in a moment. But we do know that this one here, I cannot turn up this direction because that's too close to the black dot with a turn. So we put an X there, which means this turn is either going to be from here this way or from here this way. Now, it could not be this way because this already can't connect. So we know it's got to go left and right. And this is going to have to go up one more. Now, where the heck you can go from here? Well, again, you could connect here, but what are you going to do with this? There's a branch over here. If I connect this, uh-oh, no good. So this is going to have to go boom, boom, boom. That's all connected there for you. This one, if I went down, it would certainly have to go over, so that's no good. So we would go straight. This one does not connect. We go here. All right, since I can't connect here, this white we know is going to have to go left and right. And I think we're doing pretty darn good so far. This one, if this went boom, boom, this would most certainly be a branch. So what I'm trying to say is it doesn't go boom, boom like that. It goes like this, connects. This one's going to have to go to the left. Now, this white dot needs a turn. It needs to have a bend because it didn't bend here. it will have to bend here. And since this doesn't connect here, anytime you know one side of the white dot is an X, then you know which way it's going through. So that's pretty nice. All right, and this is an X because you can't connect there. So we connect here and here. How about that? Let's try this one. Yes, outstanding. So ladies and gentlemen, have some fun with these. Let me know if you have questions. Be happy to help. And there you have it. Have a wonderful day.